How to reset Instagram Explorer page. Here's how. Initially launch the Instagram app on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of this screen. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Scroll down to see what you see section. To reset Instagram Explorer page, click on the content preferences. You tap on the interested. Instagram will show you a list of topics and content types you have interacted with or engaged with before. Remove all the topics that you're no longer interested in. Moreover, go back to the content preferences menu. Tap on the sensitive content. Select list to filter out sensitive posts that you don't want to appear in your feed. Tap confirm to save your new preferences. Now that you have adjusted your content preferences, head to your Explore page by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. Refresh the page to see the updated content based on your preferences. If you still come across the post that you are not interested in, open the post and hit the three dots at the top right of the post. Lastly, choose Not Interested to filter out that specific post. So this is how to reset Instagram Explorer page.